The lineup tonight, the talent, man.
Metallica's here, and Garth Brooks is here.
These two are the bomb.
In some way or another, I've been influenced by Elton and Bernie. To perform for them tonight, it's more than I can express, to be really honest with you.
The flamboyance, the fun, tonight is magical.
Here's the magic of Elton, is he knows how to pick talent.
It's a dream come true. I think it's a testament if you work hard, anything can happen, and it's just, anything can literally happen.
It really is truly the highest honor. And I really like watching these wizards, these sorcerers of the craft.
They epitomize what the Gershwin Prize is about, popular song. And when you think about over 5 decades of songwriting and hit after hit that we can still sing today, that's a legacy.
And I think there won't be a dry eye in the house tonight.
Thank you, Mr. T.